Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download video from your Wix website. This is a fantastic feature to enable, especially if you want to share content with your audience or allow them to access videos offline. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find various options for managing your site. Look for and click on Video Library. This is where all your uploaded videos are stored and managed, making it easy to organize and control how your content is displayed and shared. From this video library page, you'll see all the videos you've uploaded to your site. Now, locate the specific video you wish to enable for downloading on your Wix website. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over the video thumbnail. You'll notice a pencil icon appear, which represents the edit function. Go ahead and click on this pencil icon to open the video settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of how your video behaves on your site. Next, scroll down through the settings until you find the video pricing section. This section gives you control over whether your video will be available for free or if you'd like to charge viewers for access. You can choose between a free or paid download type of video depending on your needs and business model. Once you've made that decision, look for the Download Options drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Allow Downloads. This is the key step that enables viewers to download the video directly from your website. After making this selection, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. Give it a moment to process and save your settings properly. Now, once you add this video to your website, a download option will automatically appear for your visitors. This means anyone viewing the video on your site will see a clear download button, allowing them to save the video to their device with just one click. This feature greatly enhances user experience and makes your content more accessible. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your Wix video to allow downloads, giving your audience more flexibility in how they access your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.